Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So today we have another SB19 School Buddies. This is episode 2, The Exchange Student with Jessica Lee. Jessica Lee? Jessica Lee? Ba't parang pamilyar sa akin yung... Okay, so, yeah, I mean, nakita ko sa thumbnail, meron silang kasamang babae na Chinita. I assume that's the exchange student. I assume that's Jessica Lee, no? But yeah, we have another SB19 school buddies, no? Well, without no further ado, man, let's fucking get it. Ay, wait. Pula din buhok niya, no? Nung episode 1, hindi pa, di ba? Di ba? Right? So, ito yung start na naging pula na yung buhok ni Ken. I assume. So, kabaliktaran ng episode 1, no? Siya na yung nauna ngayon. Episode, sorry. Kabaliktaran ng episode 2, I mean, episode 1, siya yung huling dumating.
What's up, bro?
Sabay-sabay?
What's up, bro? Hindi ka rin I thought you were always going to be late.
Basta?
Ano ang subject natin ngayon? Kalimutan ko yung subject natin.
Predicate.
Di ba subject predicate? Subject
Subject, subject, predicate.
Ano yan?
Sa kabilang classroom.
Siyempre, lalapit tayo, smoke tayo.
Section 12. Kasi yung kabilang section, binalaman ako.
Ano nga?
Ano nga? Ba't bata? Hindi suspense nga. Hindi na siya.
Jessica Lee. Remember earlier I said na parang pamilyar yung pangalan niya sa akin. Pamilyar yung ano. Hindi pala. Yung mukha niya hindi pala pamilyar sa akin. Sorry.
Ako si Jessica. I'm from Korea.
Ay, talaga?
I'm from
K-Idol?
K-Idol Academy.
Oh! I know! Lodi!
Kaya ano?
So, yeah, I'm...
Na-loading.
Very hungry. Okay. Hi, I'm Pablo and I'm the president of this class.
Oh,
Hello, I'm Justin, and I'm the Vice President. Nice to meet you.
Shadow leader.
Introduce yourself in Korean.
Hidden leader pala.
Yes, Korean.
yes.
Don't need to
Naghang din. Talagang din.
Wait, show her. I'm the secretary.
Hello, my name is Josh. I'm the treasurer of this classroom.
Yes.
Konnichiwa, what's up?
Konnichiwa.
I'm Ken from Japan.
In Japan.
Exchange student.
Yeah.
No. I just started with arms like bro.
Bro, bro.
Oh, that's taking sa adjunct at arms eh, no?
Okay, that's me. Where can I sit?
Anywhere you want.
If you want.
Here.
Yeah.
So, meron silang exchange student. Sinong teacher?
Or
Where?
be the teacher because the teacher is not coming.
Teacher is not coming.
About?
No, we're just curious.
Curious lang.
You want to ask some
We're just curious about, no, we're just curious in general, no? Wala lang, curious kami in general.
About?
No, we're just curious.
Ah,
No, you want to ask some questions before before we start,
Or lesson.
before we start talking. What is your Korean?
Hey, why? Sorry, dito pala yung pusa. Go. Yeah. Sige na, go na. Go na. Okay, game.
My friend's name is Yi Sil.
Yes,
Isu?
Isu.
Yi is my family name. Yeah. Sil is my name.
Just one syllable.
Ah, so yun yung Korean
Yeah,
name niya.
It's a pretty uncommon name.
Isu.
So why Jessica?
My dad just gave me that name. And then my
Ang mga, ano ba? Ang mga, di ba, mga Korean, meron silang, like, yung Korean name nila. Tapos, pag pumunta sila sa ibang bansa, of course, para pag nakipag-interact sila sa ibang tao, gagawa sila ng parang, or mag-aano sila ng parang sarili nilang name for, like, parang sabi ito, like, Western or like other country. Like, Ryan Bang, di ba? Nabanggit ni Ryan Bang yan. So example din is Jessica Lee. So, ano yun, parang sila lang pumipili kung ano yung gusto nilang ipangalan sa kanila or itawag pag nasa ibang bansa sila. Ganun ba?
sister, Tiffany. So we're close to Yeah.
And because of that, guys, I'm like English. Because of that. Because I think our teacher
Is missing.
It's missing. Yeah.
no, is
Oh, wasn't that?
Is that one?
we're going to play pants.
Pants?
Pants? Pantsuit?
I don't know.
It stands for.
Oh.
So guys, listen to me
Acronym pala.
carefully.
Mm-hmm.
P is for. No. It's for place.
Play.
Lugar.
Place.
In Tagalog.
Lugar.
Oh.
Better than you. Next is A. A is for.
Animal. Animal.
Animal. N is for. Anyone? Raise your hands. Kailangan natin siya ngayon. Like,
Notebook.
no. Ito ang reason ba ito lang, sir? Nooster.
Nooster?
Name.
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 Oh,
T.
T is for.
Things?
Things.
Things.
Things. And
S.
is
Place,
for
animal name.
your
Things.
score. Your overall.
Ah,
Yeah.
and
Overall.
Overall.
Oh yeah, so
We will play this
eh.
game today. Is it
Okay.
alright with you guys? Classmates?
Alright.
do you have any choice?
Let's go up.
There you go.
Random letters will
Laging teacher this
will
day,
appear
you know?
here. 15
Okay.
seconds.
Pants mechanics. Wait lang. Tanggalin mo natin itong itong caption saglit. So, Pants mechanics style will pick random letter. Number 1. 2. The players should write a place, animal name, and things that starts with the chosen letter. Okay. They will be given 15 seconds to write down their answers. If a player has a distinct answer, they shall receive a point. If a participant has the same answer as another player, he or she will not receive a score. Okay, alright. Easy enough.
For all
Categories.
And then for the scoring, I will check your answers. If you have twin
Instead
answers,
pala, teacher.
then no points.
Twin answers. Twin answers.
In this school, we have to be unique. We are STI. We are the school body. Now, are you guys ready?
Ready.
So, sa SCI sila, nga pala, nabagitan ni, ni Estel nung episode 1.
We are the school body. Now, are you guys ready?
Ready.
First letter is
Are you joining us?
letter B. Your timer starts now.
So they have to be place, animal names, and things. So we have, for place, I'm going to Baguio because I never been into Baguio, no? So I wanna go to Baguio. Animal B, kailangan ba English? Baguio, animal, animal na nagsa-start sa B. Bronchosaurus. Bird. Name Brian Things Bag. Ano yun? General.
What kind of? Okay, time's up. Oh my God. Time's up.
Ball pens up.
Oh my God.
Ball pens up. Please.
Baguio.
Baguio.
Wala. Shit, wala tayong score. Josh, wala tayong score. Magkaparehas tayo.
Boracay.
Oh.
Brunei.
Oh, Bacolod.
Bacolod.
Batangas. Everyone get 1 point. Nice one. Okay.
Well, hindi naman nila alam na yun yung sagot ko. Pero, I mean, I think I don't have a point there because parehas kami ni Josh.
Next is animal.
Baka.
Baka.
Pwede pala Tagalog eh.
Bear. Bear. Baboy. Bat. Bat.
Bubuyog.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is that?
I have 1 point, guys.
It's a bee.
Yes.
Buyog?
Yeah.
Bubuyog.
Next is name.
Boy.
Boy. Ben. Ooh.
Then.
Wala tayong points doon, man.
Oh my God.
What's the spelling of your brand?
Why?
Oh, my brand is B-R-I.
Acceptable. Acceptable. Acceptable.
Doyo naman.
Berto.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so, dahil parehas na-cover na nila yung lahat ng spelling ng Brian, so I assume I don't have a score for that. I'm still 1 point.
Last one. Things.
I didn't answer.
No
Because I was
Things
too
bag.
honest.
Book. No answer. So weak. Bag. Bag. Oh.
Come on, man. Bag. Kailangan pala iisip ka ng mga salita, no, na medyo or mga bagay or mga lugar na hindi madaling may isip, no, para magka-score ka. So I guess I have 1 point on this round. What naman dun?
Are you ready for the next letter?
Yes.
Next letter is.
Okay, so basa na natin sa caption, letter K. So, what is the place? K, Kansas. Kansas or Korea? No, Kansas. Kasi may Koreana dito, no? Most probably, may makakaisip ng Korea, maybe. I don't know. But Kansas, a animal, K. Start with K. Start with K. What? Start with K? Animal that starts with K? Kangaroo? Shit. Wait. Napaka-easy dun. Kangaroo, aside from kangaroo, shit. Wala na ibang alam na hayop. Yung kapitbahay namin, hayop. Hindi, joke lang. Kapitbahay, okay. Shit. Kangaroo na lang. So we have Kansas, kangaroo, and stings. Things na nag-start ng K. Kite? Pwede ba sabihin na things yung kite? Saranggola? Okay. And then, S. Oh, name. Name pa pala. Catty with a K. So, may Catty kasi na C, di ba? So, pwede tayo makalusot doon. So, we have Kansas, kangaroo, catty, and ano ba yung things ko? Kite.
Letter K. Career. Movements up! Up! Stop writing! Stop writing! Please.
Korea.
Oh, I told you. I told you someone's gonna answer Korea. Muntik na tayo dun.
Oh, shoes.
No for K.
No.
Kalayaan, average.
Pwede ka?
Look! So,
Kuwait.
Kazakhstan.
Next is animal. Kambing.
Napaka nung Kazakhstan. Pero yeah. So we have 1 point there.
Kambing.
So I have
Kangaroo, 1 point.
Jessica. Jessica.
Kabayo, 1 point. Pablo.
Koala.
Koala, 1 point.
What? Okay, si Koala?
Sorry, guys. Next. Name. Clay.
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 Kyla.
Katrina.
Karen. Karen. Last.
Okay. So we have point with Cathy.
Letter K.
I didn't have time.
Kit Kat.
Kalawang.
Kotse.
Wait. Can you use? Oh shit. No, Ken. Stop it. Ken, stop it. Okay. Pwede po yung kalawang? By the way, kalawang? Bagay ba yung kalawang? Rust? Kasi yung kinakalawang, yung bagay na kinakalawang. Pero yung kalawang mismo is hindi naman bagay, right?
How about you?
Kite.
So, I have sorry. Pwede yung gamitin pala yung pangalan niya kanina, di ba, Ken? Pero tama natin dito is the Kansas and Cathy, no? We have 3 points in total.
For the last letter.
Please give it to mine.
Letter V. In 3, 2, 1.
Letter V. Okay. Let's cook here. So, for place, V. What the hell? Venezuela? Venezuela. Para kasi naisip ko mga lugar or mga bagay, pangalan is napaka-easy or napaka-predictable. So, let's do Venezuela kasi wala nang ibang maisip na lugar. Nag-start ng V. Venezuela. Valenzuela. So, Venezuela. Sa animal, vulture. Sa name, Victor. Bon Jovi. Bon Jovi. Victor. And things, vape. Vape.
1, start. Ball pens up! Ball pens up!
So fast.
Yan. Oh, ganun siya kabilis talaga.
Uy, nasusunod na rin, sir! I saw it!
I saw it.
You're such a...
Such
You're
a
such a boy.
boy.
Josh, letter V, place.
None.
Vancouver.
Oh!
Venezuela.
Oh, tik na. Venezuela yung sa atin, guys. Okay, Venezuela, hindi Valenzuela. Venezuela.
Naman.
Volcano.
Landmark.
Oh, but full...
Landmark.
Pero di mo nasulat yan.
Makakailang bro.
Oh, I got the same answer.
I wait.
Uber, yeah.
Okay, so you don't have a score with that.
So only Justin will get 1 point for this category.
I have 1 point
Next
as well.
Ano yung nagsusulat mo?
Animal. Josh.
None.
Dapat bear.
Vulture.
It's hard, pero... Parang species dapat eh. Wala nang...
Wow, no one thought of V?
Viking.
Viking.
Guys, for
Okay. So we have vulture, an animal. So we have 2 points here.
letter V, I will give you 1 answer. Beluga is brown.
Scientific name.
Beluga is brown.
What's that? What's
It's not yet discovered. Maybe after 10 years, maybe?
10 years.
After discovering Mars.
Okay,
Next
so
name.
ano to, 2022 to, no? So, ngayon 2025. So, hindi pa siya na-discover. Okay.
Vincent.
Vincent.
Venus.
Vivian.
Vivian.
Vladimir.
Vladimir.
Voltas.
po. Okay, so walang sumagot ng Victor, so we have 4 scores in total here, guys. We are cooking, told you.
Oh, it's the name.
Contest 5.
Last category. Things.
Vacuum.
Vacuum.
You were able to write it?
Oo pala, may things ko pala. Ano ba yung things ko? V? Vape. Yep. Walang makaka-answer ni Vape.
I don't have one.
Oo.
Oh,
Ang lagay ng ano.
damn, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Pero madaya to.
Mali yung sabi ng ball.
I-search mo, ball.
Ganun nga.
Meron, pero ano yun eh?
Ano yun?
Bolt ang nilagay ni Vic.
Search mo.
Isn't it a voltage?
Voltage.
Volt ang voltage, voltage
Theoretical
yun.
things. Tama naman.
Nakawakan?
Kasi sinulat niya yung kanina eh.
Oo nga. Kasi things eh. Dapat nakakikita tsaka nakakawakan.
Di ba usapan natin basta nakikita na ako?
Ayan muna.
Do you enjoy our activity?
Yes, sir. Ay, what do you mean, sir?
Why not your sir and classmate?
Yeah. Yes, classmate. I enjoyed it so much. Thank you, thank you.
Patay ba yung audio?
So, what are we supposed to do now?
I don't know. Galing ko. Ang tagal na naman ano mo na?
Ay, walang ano ng score. Pa yan? Baka competitive pa naman ako. Last round, 4 out of 4 ako sa last round, oh. Ayan. Ako ba nanalo? Hindi eh. Feeling ko nanalo ako doon, guys.
I just remembered. Because sir couldn't make it today.
Yeah?
I remembered he gave me his last will and testament. Hey,
Namatay
he gave me a
pala.
memo. Let's read this. Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye.
Due to the absence of your teacher today, we can send you home early. But in exchange of your free day today, you will be given a group project. Oh my God, I thought we were going to project pa. Visit Philippines Heritage Site and explore the place. At the end of your tour, discuss to the class of what we've learned from the tour. Thank you and stay safe.
Okay, so aalis sila.
Goodbye.
Oh, tour. Where?
It's like
Here. Your trip. Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Grabe, ang payat ni ano, no? Jessica Lee. Grabe yung ano niya, nipis niya.
No, nandito na tayo. Clap, only clap.
Ano siya,
As you guys
nito?
remember, do you guys know where we are right now?
Yes.
Intramuros.
Yes.
You don't know.
Okay, I don't know.
But as you remember, earlier, I received the last will and testament of our professor.
It's a memo.
It's a memo lang?
Finding?
Finding.
Memo, okay. It says there that we should go to a historical place here in the Philippines.
Okay.
Kaya right now, we're here at Fort Santiago, specifically Intramuros. Pero what is the reason why we're here?
Yeah, because it's historical
What
place.
is the reason?
Study.
Study.
To learn. Learn more about the history of the Philippines.
I don't know about that, but to give us a clearer answer,
Yeah?
let's call on Sir JB.
JB?
Hello.
Justin Bieber? Bigyan naman pinakita yung tsura ni Justin Bieber, nakangiti ba? Sir Justin Bieber? Tingnan natin. May tattoo. Justin Bieber nga. Hindi. I mean, ganyan na yung buhok ni Justin Bieber ngayon, no?
Hi guys, good afternoon.
Good afternoon po.
And welcome to Fort Santiago. Santiago, one of the most historical places.
Grabe si nanay. Titig na titig, oh.
Good
Nakapamayawang pa.
Welcome to Fort Santiago. Santiago, one of the most historical places here in the Philippines. And as we know, dito po sa Fort
Hindi tayo
Santiago,
makasagot.
dito nanatili ang ating mga mananakop. The conquerors of the Philippines had their headquarters inside Fort Santiago. Those conquerors are, if you remember, those are the Spaniards, the Americans, and the Japanese.
Yes.
Pero bakit kaya dito nila ginawa? Why did they put this fort here in this place? Why? Because this was where Raja Sulaiman, Sulaiman, the last Muslim ruler of Manila, this is where his palace was located. So when the Spaniards defeated him in battle in May of 1521, ay dito nila tinayo. Yung nagawa lang siya sa kawayan, it was made of bamboo and wood. Then,
Okay.
they converted it into a stone fortress.
So they took over the palace, sir,
Yes.
and like established their own.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Established the fort. And before we go inside, there is a moat.
Oh, ilang pala
Ito po, this is the only place in the Philippines that has a moat.
Moat?
Diyan, nasa gitna.
Moat?
Guys, field go.
Okay po.
Moat?
Let's go.
What the fuck is moat?
Okay, sabay-sabay. 6, 7, 8. For the fortress of Intramuros.
Parang yung mga estudyante na sabay-sabay nagbabasa. Tapos yung cadence sila, Walled Fortress of Intramuros established by... Di ba yung mga ganun pag sabay-sabay?
5, 6, 7, 8. For the fortress of Intramuros, established by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi on the site of the former wooden fort of Raja Sulaiman, 1571. Burned during the...
Okay na mga bata. Okay, Miguel Lopez de Legazpi was the first Spanish Governor General of the Philippines.
Miguel Lopez de Legazpi.
Yes, he was the
I've studied it before, but completely yung gun.
So, sinabi ko kanina na itong Fort Santiago inoccupy ng Spaniards, Americans, Japanese. Meron ding nag-occupy kasi
Hindi na naiintindihan ni Jessica Lee.
British din po.
Sir, bakit di sila tumagal?
Kasi natapos
You can
agad yung war
understand.
nila with Spain. That was in 1771 until 1773. They were victorious. They bombed Manila, but they only occupied Manila. Wala silang na-occupy na ibang part ng Pilipinas. So tanong ko guys, ilan na naging sa mga boys?
9.
Ilan na naging jowa ni Rizal?
13.
Ay, dami naman.
Yeah.
Hindi po, di ba naging ano po yan? Parang tawag dito, hindi hanggang ngayon pinagtatalunan pa.
Actually, hindi ko alam. What the hell?
Kung sino.
Alam ko.
Meron na, may
May final na po ba?
Japanese.
Ay, oo.
Leonora. Niya.
Sir, meron ako nakita libro na ang dami niya. 9 pa. 9 ata.
Mga ano parang chismis ata yun.
Chismis pa lang. Alilink lang, no? Alilink. Blind item.
Had 7.
7.
Meron siyang naging Japanese, may mga Filipina of course. First love niya Filipina. Then nagkaroon siya ng girlfriend na British.
Who was the Filipino girl?
Si Leonor Rivera.
Leonor pala.
And si
Leonor.
Segunda Katigba.
Segunda Katigba.
Okay? Then yung sa pangasawa niya, as you know, is Josephine Bracken, who is Irish.
Irish.
Yeah.
Were they able to produce
Yes.
children?
Yeah, only one child but it was stillborn.
Ay, ganun.
Lumabas, patay na.
Patay na.
Okay, let's go to Jose
So-
Rizal.
Halatang ko lang kung alam eh, no? Nagkaanak ba si Rizal ng buhay? O wala? Sayang naman, no? Parang kasing parang ang lupit lang, no? Na, for example, ikaw, lolo mo si Jose Rizal, no? Nice. Naisip ko lang kasi paano kaya pag gano'n yung nangyari, no? Tapos tatay mo is, yung lolo mo, kalulololohan mo is like, isa sa mga hero ng Pilipinas, no? National hero. Tapos, pagdating sa'yo, ko pala, no? Yung parang nagliliwaliw lang sa buhay, no? Nagbubulak-bol. Yung irony nun. So, yeah.
Second self.
Self. The night of December 30, 1890, December 29 rather.
December 29 po.
1896, yung gabi, nilagay na siya dyan.
Before it was, kuya?
Kailan siya binalik?
Before, it
December
was
30, 1870.
Actually, it was a chapel before. Tapos, on the night of his execution, before his execution, pinapunta siya dyan para siya ay makapagdasal. At sabi nga, dyan daw kinasal sila ni Josephine.
Okay.
Hindi ko masabing definite kasi may may mga nagko-contest kung totoo raw ba silang kinasa.
Ano po na, ano po yun?
talaga kalaki si Rizal.
Rizal is 5'3".
Baka nga po yan yung exact ano niya. Yan po ba?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Let's go up to the dungeon. This is where the 600 people who were found in the dungeons,
600.
600 people. Dead bodies.
Yun po yung
they were
exact.
buried there.
Yun po yung exact bilang ng body. 600.
Yes.
Grabe.
More or less 600.
White cross. Ito ibig sabihin.
Although, so hindi siya exact. Kasi more or less 600 bodies.
Battlefield talaga.
They were killed because of the war. Because of bombing, and of course, nakakulong kasi sila dun sa ilalim. It was very cramped. And imagine 600. Papasok tayo, makikita nyo.
Suffocated sila dun.
Oo.
Kung
Si
kakasya
mo,
mo yung
600 kayo katao sa loob ng isang kuweba or like dungeon, men. Siguro nga 20 pa lang tayo, hindi na ako makahinga kasi ang init. Yung feeling, yung feeling mo na parang nasa close space ka, 'di ba? Yung feeling na parang nako-claustrophobic ka. And also, syempre ang init and yun nga, suffocation. That's a nasty way to die. Whew, lit pala. Sweet naman is dead. Hindi mo nakita. Ay, bawal mo pa
You
ipakita.
would see right across Pasig River. See that building there? That is Chinatown.
Natawid na.
Besides Binondo is Tondo.
That is why.
This Pasig River is 23 kilometers from Manila Bay up to Laguna de Bay.
Ano to, 28?
23?
28.
You can travel it.
23.
Now, one piece of trivia, this area is called Media Naranja.
Half
Medyo
orange.
naranja.
Media Naranja. Spanish for half orange.
Half orange?
Medya.
Medyo naranja?
One thing why it's called Media Naranja, kasi before, during the Spanish era, this is where lovers, and lovers, back then, they give each other orange.
Nahati nila. So half.
That is like a term of, like flowers, like giving signs of love. Media Naranja.
Oo. Nalaman yun Bigyan ko kayo ng half orange yung asawa ko. Tapos di ko i-explain kung bakit.
Medyo naranja.
So guys, you're inside Intramuros. Intramuros came from the word morada, which is Spanish for wall.
Wall.
Murada is wall.
Morada is wall.
Walled. Walled. Hindi
But
siya,
the wall itself
hindi siya yung wall mismo. Walled. Yung wall itself is muros. Morada, walled, muros. Wall.
Morada is wall. Morada, wall. But the wall itself is muro.
Muros.
Intra is inside.
Inside the wall. Intramuros. Okay, hindi ko siya alam. No? Ngayon ulit siya nalaman, man.
Is muro. Intra is inside.
Inside the wall.
Naalala ko tuloy yung kanta sa sa Attack on Titans.
So, the
Gangster
materials
music, no?
for the walls are volcanic top, or
Volcanic
more
top.
popularly known as adobe.
Adobe.
From here, ito. Yung
Volcanic
this one,
top.
not this one.
How were they able to get that
Through the Pasig River,
talaga?
they used boats to transport.
Yeah, but it's not imported from abroad, right?
No, they're from Guadalupe and from Pampanga. Just a small part of the world.
Small part of the wall.
22-meter
The
height.
entire wall goes around 4.8 kilometers.
Four-
Pag inikot mo lahat. No, not anymore.
4.8 kilometers. Hindi naman siya ganun kalayo, no? 4.8 kilometers.
22-meter
The
height.
entire wall goes around 4.8 kilometers.
Four-
It's pretty far. 4.8 kilometers. Parang hindi naman siya ganun ka, parang kayang-kaya mo siyang, I mean, mahaba siya, don't get me wrong, pero, kumbaga, kayang-kaya mo siyang, kaya mo pabalik-balik sa wall ng kahit ilang beses, siguro isang araw, no? Hindi siya ganun ka, tawag dito, paano mo ito? Nakakalula sa haba. Tama ba yung word ko, lula? Alam ko pang height lang yun, pero, get what I'm saying?
No, not anymore. Because there are parts where that wasn't renovated.
American Barracks.
So we will end the story here. This is the American Barracks, guys. The American Barracks was built in 1920. And this was used as the headquarters by the Americans. This was where...
1920 po?
1920.
1920.
So, 102 years old na tong building na to. And this building was used as a prison by the Japanese, and 2 Philippine presidents were imprisoned there.
Okay.
You can see, we are having snacks here.
So this is what we call the
Street food.
Filipino street style
pinatry nila kay
merienda.
Jessica yung street food.
So we have here kwek kwek. Alam niyo naman to, you're familiar with this. Even Jessica, you like kwek kwek, right?
Yeah.
And then we have dirty ice cream, even if it's not really dirty,
Clean.
but it's clean, but it's called dirty ice cream.
yeah.
We have, what's this? Josh, can you
Sorbet.
introduce this? Squid balls. Squid balls, yes. And then, what's this, Ken?
Banana cue.
Let's talk about our favorite, yung place na pinuntahan natin, or yung spot na pinuntahan natin. For me kasi, I really like the underground.
Hindi naman namin nakita yung dungeon.
The dungeon, even if it's very hot down there. I mean,
Hindi ba pwedeng kumuha ng video or pictures sa loob ng dungeon? Hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Intramuros eh. Sa labas lang.
I can feel the,
The sentiment.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, we're very happy din na we have this opportunity rin na makapag-visit dito kasi we know na pandemic pa rin and there's a lot
Yeah.
of student and
2020
school
pa nga
na
pala,
nag-close. Yeah, hindi nakapunta sa school, which is lagi naman ginagawa ng mga student magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng activity.
Nakakatawa naman, no? Kasi, pandemic yung time na to, di ba? And then again, usually sa Intramuros, ginaganap yung mga field trip, di ba? And maraming estudyante ngayon, or the time na to is most probably naka-modular, no? Sa bahay na sila nag-aaral, walang mga field trip, no? So at least, napapanood nila through like school bodies, like SM19 vlogs and all of this.
Tawag dito. Field trip, and wala silang chance na ma-visit tong place na to with their classmates, with the teacher. Kaya we are very happy na meron kami gantong content to share with you.
Kaya sabi ko lang, Stel, don't worry, I got you, man. Sabi ko na.
This kind of learnings din.
They're open for public. So, parang pwede na i-visit yung place.
Talaga dito na kasi, no? 2 years na nakalipas. Medyo, ito na yung
Dito ngayon,
ito na yung, mga taon or mga panahon na nakakamdaman mo na, uy, nakakalabas na tayo, no? Ito na, nakaalabas na tayo, pwede na tayong gawan yan.
pandemic.
Tapos na yung era ni Kim Chiu ng
you have to follow
hindi pwedeng
the
lumabas.
safety guidelines. And then you can visit. At mag-feel mo na parang nag-field trip ka pa rin.
Honestly, why I really love the Philippines is really because of the culture that was born from all these history. Very like
Very rich.
very diverse also. Although many people could say it's very
Magulo.
it's very magulo,
Maguro.
right? But then
Magulo.
actually that itself is very precious for me. That's what makes the Philippines very unique and beautiful. And that's
Yeah.
how I fell in love.
It reminded me that we're hybrids. We're
Mm-hmm.
So we
Yeah,
adapted
true. We're hybrid.
different cultures and
Right,
different
right.
How about the others?
Mindsets.
You like the banana
What amazing place for me is the
Medyo Naranja, yeah.
Oh.
Naranja.
like in the midst of war and everything, they still get to
Yeah,
share
ano.
love with each other, and it's really romantic for me.
Right.
Like the letter writing.
Aww.
Imagine before they said that you can see Binondo in Medyo Naranja. Imagine it's mountains and trees.
Right, and the river's clean.
Yeah, oo nga, no? Nice.
You know, like, I wish I could really go back in time.
Oh, right, right.
What was happening before.
Yeah.
So that it was the first time I saw this.
Place, Fort Santiago.
Yeah, it was really majestic. Like you can really imagine. Like my God, man!
Seryoso na. Kanina gangster lang ha, pero ngayon naging seryoso eh.
What?
Masyado nyo na-appreciate yung lugar.
It's good to be sitting in front of the big wall.
Tsaka,
And
kung
then there's
gusto
a
naman
Titan,
talaga nilang
no?
malaman.
Nakakatawa.
I mean, kung gusto nilang marami pang malaman. Hindi, kasi kumbaga si Jessica nga, Korean siya, pero ano siya, inaral niya and willing siyang natutunan yung culture and yung history ng Philippines. So, kung kaya ni Jessica, I'm sure kaya niya.
walang limit ang knowledge. Parang wala namang limit ang pag-aral ng
Knowledge.
ibang kultura. Diba?
Power.
Kung mahal ka sa isang kultura, hindi nang ibig sabihin na kahit foreigner or banyaga ka ganun, na hindi ibig sabihin, may limitations for those kinds of things. Kasi hindi tayo para i-share yung knowledge natin. Hindi tayo nandito para sabihin na, hindi naman Pilipino. Or ano yun, hindi natin kailangan i-down yung ibang tao. So,
Tama.
nandito tayo to open everyone's mind
Right,
and
right.
heart.
And that's it. Yes.
History class.
Ayun eh, hindi ko natatawagan, nag-chat na
Sabi.
Oh, Pablo, na-receive ko na yung chat mo daw kanina. And okay na, natanggap ko na. Antayin ko na lang yung
Reaction
yung
paper.
reaction paper daw natin.
Reaction. Oh, we need to do a reaction.
Sir Robin.
Game.
Sir Robby? Si Robby pala.
Reaction paper. We need to react in 3, 2, 1.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay, Sir Robby, ano na po yung reaction namin? Okay na yun, Sir Robby.
Ano tuloy yung meme na na reaction paper, di ba? Nagpasa siya ng reaction paper. Pinapotocopy yung mukha niya na gano'n. Di ba? Sa papel. Ayun yung pinasa niya reaction paper. Wala lang.
Oh no, my mom is calling na. Oh, it's already 6 hours. Ay, 6 hours? It's already 6 hours.
Oh, yeah.
How many go? Wow.
I'm gonna take the chip.
I'm gonna take a
Tricycle.
tricycle. Where are you going, guys? You can
Filipino.
come with me. My mom.
Hatid lang.
Let's go. Let's go.
Ba't di pa kayo nag-fire?
Alright, well that's SB90 School Buddies Episode 2, The Exchange Student, no, with Jessica Lee. Hindi ko na-expect na magiging ganun yung, yung school buddies natin, na magkakaroon sila ng biglaang field trip sa Intramuros. Pero na-enjoy, no? Meron tayong natutunan sa video na yon. And also, at the same time, nakakatuwa na yung isa sa mga purpose nila doon is para may panood or may mabigay silang content para sa mga estudyante nga na naka-lockdown or module na lang muna sa bahay, no, na walang mga field trip na nangyari sa taon na yon kasi again it's still pandemic, no. So nakakatuwa. And yeah, I mean that's overall that's just a wholesome episode of School Buddies, no. And that's our answer for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like, subscribe. Kung gusto nyo mag-react sa yung artist, man, sing a rapper, song, just comment down below. Mag-react tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.